Okay, that's great, but what if I want two animation clips on the same game object, say different motions or movements? What I can do is add a second clip with this animation window still open by selecting down here, left click again, create a new animation clip. In this case, I might call it chest close. So let's create a new animation clip. You'll see here, and rather than animating this again, I'm going to pop back over to my original anime clip. Just Control A, Control C to copy those keyframes, pop back across to my new clip, Control V to paste those in. I'll Control mouse wheel out just to zoom out slightly, and I'll just use the selection tool to go ahead and reverse the order of those animation clips. So it starts open and then animates closed again, and I'll make sure it lasts about the same amount of time, 1 second 25.